How to rotate an image using OpenCV in Python. You can rotate an image by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees with OpenCV in Python using rotate function. First things first, let us import CV2 at the start of our Python program. Now we have 3 steps in this program. The first step is to read the input image. The second step is to rotate the given input image. And the third step is to save the rotated image. Reading the image. To read an image into our Python program, we can use imread function. The first argument is the image file name, and the second argument is the flags. We use imread unchanged for the flags argument. The image read function returns the image as matrix-like object. Store the returned object in a variable, say input image. Rotating the image. Okay, we have the input image. Now the rotation needs to happen. Rotate function can be used to rotate the image. If you see the definition of rotate function, the function takes 3 arguments. First is the source image, which is our input image. Second is the rotate code. This code specifies the amount of rotation. Third argument is destination, which is optional and we will not use in this example. For the first argument, we will give the input image. For the second argument, there are 3 options. Rotate 90 clockwise rotates the image by 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Rotate 180 rotates the image by 180 degrees. Rotate 90 counterclockwise rotates the image by 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction, or we can say 270 degrees in the clockwise direction. Let us take rotate 90 clockwise for the second argument. The rotate function with the given arguments should rotate the source image by 90 degrees clockwise. Rotate function rotates the given source image and returns the resulting output image. Assign that to a variable, let us say rotated image. Saving the rotated image. You can use imwrite function to save an image stored in a variable in the Python program to a file on your system. Let us save our image as output.jpg. We have written the program to rotate an image by 90 degrees clockwise. Now run the program. Output.jpg has been created next to our program in the files. Let us open the output image. Compare the output image with the input image. The output image is a transformation of the given input image where the image has been rotated by 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Now let us rotate the image by 180 degrees. We will give rotate 180 as the second argument to the rotate function. Run the program and check the output image. Now let us rotate the image by 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. We will give rotate 90 counterclockwise as second argument to the rotate function. Run the program and check the output image. This is how we can rotate an image using a rotate function of OpenCV in Python. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.